Hello. So what I have in front of me and what I'm going to be talking about is the GE dishwasher and the name Nautilus. Oh, right here. Okay, there we go. And the model number is okay. It's pretty long, but GSD 3900L00BB. And some more information about it. It's 120 volts, 60 hertz. The motor is 1.8 amps and the other is 4.4 amps. So the total of current is 6.2 amps. Here it is, dishwasher. So now from the top rack to the basket to the lower rack, and also I couldn't find a manual, but you can go online. All you have to do is just type in what is the model number. Type in the serial number as well, but I just normally just type in the model number and I find like a manual online. And it gives you as far as what goes where in the dishwasher too. So if you're new to this, it's okay. To some people, they do the old school way. They wash dishes still in the sink. Some people use dishwasher depending on like if it's a big family or not, or if you're really busy. So put some dishwasher in that bad boy right here. Then turn around. Boom. Clocked in. Close. And then you kind of just lock it in, which means, pots and pans and so forth. And then you start it. So let me go ahead and turn this off. But that's pretty much how you get it started right there. And we normally have a lot of pots and pans and stuff in here. So it tells you about the cycles as well. So like for pots and pans, for heavily sold dishes or cookware with dried on or baked on soils, everyday dishes may be included. Cycle will not remove burnt on foods. Okay, so if you got any burned stuff, you might want to go in the sink and kind of scrub that out. And for light wash for dishes with light soils and plate warmer for warming, cleaning dishes and serving plates. And that cycle will be a good 30 minutes. So let me open this again because I am going to be talking about the inside as well. So energy options like high temp wash provides extra heat for best performance, and then the high temp wash off turns high temp wash off, or some models, and those are just some energy options. And then I think I already described that. Okay. Now, just if you're new to this and you kind of seem like it's like a time delay in between like cycles, that's totally normal. There is a time delay between startup and water fill, so you will not hear any wash action right away. So then it gives you like how much water is used in a cycle and stuff, and then it tells you about the dial cycles like rinse only and what to do and what to turn it on. And then it gives you a description about the jet dry rinse agent, and it gives you a description and directions on the proper use of detergent and which detergents you need to use for this type of dishwasher. So the upper rack right here, that is for glasses, cups, and saucers. And cups and glasses fit best along the sides. And this is also a secure place for dishwasher safe plastics. And so the upper rack is good for all kinds of odd shaped utensils, saucepans, mixing bowls, and other items should be face down. Okay, so that's the upper rack. And then and then the cup shelf on some models may be placed in the up or down position to add flexibility. Okay, and right now we're going to talk about the wash tower, which is located right here in the lower rack of the dishwasher. Let me be serious. Okay, so Same, keep the center area clear in the lower rack. And then it also tells you like don't block or load tall things next to the wash tower. Also be careful not to let a portion of an item such as a pot or dish handle extend through the bottom rack. This could block the wash arm and cause poor washing results. So yeah, the manual was pretty much like, look, I'm gonna help you out. Either you're gonna read me or you're not. But hey, I'm just trying to help you out so you can have a dishwasher that lasts for years. But then it just pretty much like helps you out as far as like how to stack dishes in there. Like some people just stack it up, but there's a certain way to do it in the dishwasher. It's not just, you know, like you wash dishes and you just set it in to, you know, the dish rack to dry. No, this is completely different. Oh, okay. And it says the wash tower rinses through the center of the lower rack during the wash or rinse portions of the cycle. Okay, so now we're going to talk about the lower rack. And the lower rack, when loading the lower rack, do not load large platters or trays in the front right corner. They may prevent detergent from circulating during the wash cycle. So this right here, this lower rack right here. And then also, the lower rack is best used for plates, saucers, and cookware. Large items such as broiler pans and racks should go along the sides. Load platters, pots, and bowls along the sides and corners or in the back. The sole side of items should face the center of the rack. And it gives you again how you're supposed to stack them dishes up in this bad boy. And then the silverware basket, which is right here. And of course, you know, put flatware in the removable basket with fork and knife handles up to protect your hands. Place spoons in the basket with the handles down. Mix knives, forks, and spoons so they don't nest together. That's so cool. That's so smart. Okay. Distribute evenly. Small plastic items such as measuring spoons and lids from small containers should go in the bottom of the silverware basket. Small plastic items such as measuring spoons and lids from small containers should go in the bottom of the silver basket. And then it tells you how to increase the flexibility of the lower rack. The silverware basket may be split on some models. But this one isn't really split. So this is by itself. Alrighty, so that's just some little description on this dishwasher. So again, this is the GE Dishwasher Nautilus, I believe, right here.